Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start by diagnosing why your Epson L3210 prints wrong colors. Prepare plain A4 paper and warm the printer for 1 minute. From the control panel, open Maintenance and run a nozzle check pattern. Inspect the pattern for missing cyan, magenta, or yellow blocks and gaps. Open the front cover and visually confirm each cartridge shows ink above the minimum line. Remove and reseat each cartridge until it clicks once. Finally, check your computer driver for color mode and correct paper type. If the nozzle check shows gaps, run up to 3 automatic head cleanings. Access Maintenance on the printer driver and start a cleaning cycle that takes about 3 minutes. Print another nozzle check to verify improvement. If colors remain incorrect, perform a manual clean using distilled water and a lint-free cloth. Turn off the printer and remove the cartridge carriage before wiping. Gently dab the printhead contacts and let the area dry for 10 minutes. Reassemble and run another nozzle check after powering on. Next, verify software and cartridges to finalize the fix. Open the Epson driver and set mode to color and quality to high or best photo. Ensure paper type matches the loaded media for accurate color rendering. If colors still shift, replace suspect cartridges with genuine Epson ink cartridges. Update or reinstall the printer driver from Epson to ensure compatibility. Perform a factory reset if the driver update fails to help. Finally, print a full color test page and confirm cyan.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.